So hi guys, this is Miss Princess Gates ordering Mang Inasal. Regular.
Happy holiday. Application with Arbel. Hello, Arbel.
Hi, madam.
Presentation, but it is my card. See your card? No, not yet. I'm not yet senior. So, we have a discount today, and we're going to eat one big board, chicken inasal, regular, and of course, the Halloween.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. So, sure, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And what can you say? Inflation?
Yes, let's check it out later.
Okay, let's check it out later. Mabuhay, Philippines. So what's up?
Hi, madam. How are you today?
Well, I'm very fine. How are you too?
Well, it's good also.
Well,
Where are we at now?
Well, we are here at Blue Wave, Marikina City, Philippines.
At
Yes,
Mang
we are here
Inasal.
at Mang Inasal restaurant, and we're going to celebrate.
What did you do here?
Well, I went here in this place because I need to process my documents to government.
Okay.
And it was successfully done.
Oh, that's good.
Very, very positive. 100%.
Okay.
So after that, then I saw you there, and then we process also.
Yes.
What do you process?
I need to go back on Monday to submit documents.
Well, good
And
luck
waiting
with
for the maybe 2 weeks the results of my process.
Okay, just good luck for that. But I
Yes.
can come back again because
Yes,
I
on Monday.
So we to the Padilla,
Yes.
right?
So what is our food today?
Well, our food today is all about, of course, chicken.
Yes. And what else?
First, and an ice cream because the summer is so hot that I need to be cool. Oh my God. And of course, the soup, the tamarind soup. And of course, I love Coke and you love Sprite.
I have Sprite here and also halo-halo.
So we need to celebrate the vacation. You know why? Because we have so many workings here.
Yes.
And it's a time of peace, stress, and we should be happy and have lots of fun. And this is our bonding because
Yes.
it's now busy in
Aw.
UP,
Yes.
in the Philippines.
So Dave is not here.
So I'm with you.
Yeah, you're with
my
me,
friend.
proxy of Dave.
Another bodyguard.
You're another bodyguard.
How much?
Slash inaanak.
$5 for you in one day.
Yes.
May inaanak. Okay, so my inaanak now. Arbel is now Master of Arts. You're already graduated in MA, right?
Yes.
So congratulations,
Thank
Arbel.
you.
And university also, one of the best university from Israel.
Okay, so
Share like and subscribe my YouTube channel in Mama and
let's eat. So Madam Gates is now eating halo-halo. How's it, Madam?
I feel so cold now. A while ago, I'm so hot. But now I'm feeling so okay because I'm getting cold with this halo-halo.
Did you enjoy eating halo-halo?
Yeah, I'm enjoying eating halo-halo because I'm with you.
Ah, okay.
Special bodyguard.
Yes.
So it's bonding time, so I'm happy that I'm not alone today. I'm with somebody with my bodyguard.
Another bodyguard.
Yes, the other one is he's so busy now.
Yeah, Dave is busy, so
He's so busy with so many things. I don't know. Maybe
I'm here, your other bodyguard. Will help you. Will accompany you.